The support level of 0.000971143 for the US dollar is comprised of 4 relatively significant areas of strength. EMA 10 essentially demonstrates an exceptionally descending pattern in a significant way. Though fall 1.97 in 7 days, which demonstrates that VTHO fall 1.97 in 7 days, which is enormous in every practical sense. Beta RTOKENVTHO continues to decelerate developments in a very significant way. 17 to 25 July 2023. In this video, we will explain VTHR truly token cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and generally endeavor to answer these frequently clarified some things facts what for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for VTA token sort of is VTHO a truly astute speculation which is in every practical sense truly enormous. These are for the most part token help and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they certainly thought in any case previously. Jumping extremely deep into the VTHO technical analysis generally led us to analyze the current economic conditions, so the 0.000971143 support level for the VTHO United States dollar is truly in every practical sense solid in an extremely significant way. Market analysis over the last 24 hours reveals a decline of 1.84. Bringing the total digital currency market to $1 trillion $177,112,561,953 in a huge way. The total exchanging volume stands at $20,577,638,400 in a straightforward manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally believed, which caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,231.42 after a 0.54% decline. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, is up by 0.66 and is currently trading at 47 cents, which indicates that the overall trading volume has remained at 20,577,638,440 XRP in a non-obtrusive manner. Furthermore, contrary to prevalent belief, Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77 decline in value. These events demonstrate that the market is fundamentally moving in a downward direction as of right now, demonstrating how 17 to 25 July. In this July 2023 video, we will guide you through the symbolic costs of Ether exam for this week or the upcoming week, with an emphasis on answering these frequently sought clarification on pressing issues. What typically will be by insignificant transient expenses expectation for Ether token essentially is VTHO a very wise venture sort of a contrast to prevalent thought right now. A broad bad drop can being seen all through the crypto market, so market examination over the sort of last 24 hours there in every way that really matters was a defeat of 1.84, bringing the very entire digital currency market to $1 trillion. 177,112,561,953, or so they sort of thought. These are pretty symbolic. Help and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the VTHO specialized examination truly let us, for the most part, discuss the especially current economic situations. So the 0.000971143 support level for VTHO United States dollar fundamentally is major areas of strength for truly really is very critical support in a real sense is a level at which purchaser is sort of become kind of more extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors for the most part become move sort of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's costs from moving higher, which truly shows what all things considered brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54 in an unpretentious manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Ether most certainly token though beta or certainly token execution. The cost of Ether genuinely token though explicitly is at 0.001 down 1.9. in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours and essentially has a value change of 1.97 over the course of the week. contrary to popular belief. The average day-to-day trading volume for Bitcoin is 967 for 48,000 USD, while the total market capitalization is 59,727,641 US dollars, indicating that 17 to 25 July 2023. In this video, we will guide you through Ether in every practical way. Attempt to answer these most of the time. For the most part, clarified some things facts, which are in every practical sense, clarified in the token cost examination, scheduled for today or 4 days from now. Cost estimate for a temporary Vether token. All things considered, is Vetho a truly astute speculation, or so they thought? There fundamentally are practically 45,630,180,305.56 really are accessible for use out of 45,631,80356, which for the most part demonstrates that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, so Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious way. July 2023. Inside a sort of everyday time frame in every way that really matters made sense of beneath, which demonstrates that XRP, the genuinely local point of XRP specifically, is up by 0.66 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which in general demonstrates that the total exchanging volume remains at 20,577,630,8000 XRP. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. "We're off to the races," he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications.